everyone, I'm going to show you a demo of our question answering system. I'm going to jump into the example that we had in the paper. Here's the example. In New York State, the longest period of daylight occurs during which month? Now pause the video and think about this question and figure out what's the answer. The answer is June. Now let's see how the logical process follows. We know that New York State is in USA, and we know that USA and United States are the same thing. We know that USA is located in the northern hemisphere. Also, since we are looking for the longest day duration, we need summer solstice, which in northern hemisphere happens during June, which is our answer. So in this work, we are just trying to simulate this flow of reasoning. Let me show you a demo. I'm entering the question here, and boom, here's the answer. First, let me explain the output. Just like our example, our system uses tables of information for answering the questions. To keep the output simple, we don't show the complete tables. Instead, we show only the rows of the relevant tables which are active. Also, we encode the alignments implicitly with numbers. Cells with the same number are aligned to each other. For example, June with number 0 is aligned to another June with number 0, or month from the question is aligned with month of occurrence in the title of a table. The two table rows, New York and New York State, are aligned with the mention of New York in the question. Longest in the question is aligned with the longest cell in a table. Period with period of daylight in the title. Daylight with period of daylight title again. Month aligns with month of occurrence and period of daylight. The first one is a good alignment. The second one is a noisy alignment. Here we are lucky that this noisy alignment doesn't hurt us. Okay, so the same reasoning we did a minute ago is simulated here. New York in the question is aligned with the cells of the table which contains New York. New York is located in the United States. We are looking for the longest day duration, which happens during summer solstice, which happens in June in the northern hemisphere. Okay, cool. Now let's change the question a bit. Here I'm replacing longest with the shortest. So all the previous alignments should be the same except the alignment of the shortest, which happens during the winter solstice. And the correct answer here is December, since winter solstice in the northern hemisphere happens during December. Let's make another variation. Let's put a country from southern hemisphere, for example Australia. So this time I expect to have alignments to the southern hemisphere. Now you may wonder what happens if I ask a question about a city that the solver doesn't have enough knowledge about. Well, it might make a mistake on it or just not answer it. Let's try an example. I'm gonna change Australia to Mars. I know that the solver doesn't have enough knowledge about this. And in fact, it's probably not a valid question. So if the solver answers this question, it's an incorrect behavior, while the correct expected behavior is skipping this question. Here we go. We wrongly choose one of the options. And the reason is, we have a spurious alignment between some of the tables and one of the options, which causes us to wrongly answer this question. If you want to check our actual implementation, see the repository shown on the screen. Oh, by the way, let us know about your comments and suggestions. Thank you.